This year we coming all heat, so I got unboxing for all my major drops. We got the PS5 today with the Post headset. You already know what it is. Let's get it. Here we go. We got the PS5. You know what I'm saying? We unboxing this nasty thing. We got a couple little things in here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there we is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Sony. Okay. They knew what they was doing this year with this one. Got the headset, too. You know how I have to come with it. I don't know what I'm about to do with this, but it's a snow day today, so I thought it was a great day to unbox it. Get with your boy. I'm going to drop my PS5 name below. This the first unboxing of the year, man, so don't judge me too deep. You feel me?